Guess what?
What?
This week we're making on-the-go breakfast sandwiches.
All right.
It's the end of September, people are busy, school, work, all of that,
Yep.
but everybody needs a balanced breakfast.
Sure.
So I thought we'd demonstrate the traditional English muffin,
Yep.
one on a brioche bun,
Yeah.
and then one on a fancy croissant.
Oh, that's the one me most excited about. Puppet learned French this week in preparation for the croissant.
You did?
Yep.
How?
Learned all French in 1 week.
How'd you do that? Did you do it online, platform? Tell us.
Oh no, none of that stuff. Puppet learned the way Puppet learns everything, by watching old black and white television. That is the answer for everything.
Puppet. Okay.
We.
So,
We.
So, in with that, we
Yes.
thought we'd start with scrambled eggs. So in this pan, I've already started before we went on.
Okay.
We are scrambling 3 farm fresh organic eggs.
You tell him, Madame Kitchen Lady.
Yes. Oh, Puppet. So in the pan, because that is the basis. Now, get these scrambled eggs cook faster than anyone realizes, and they may have cooked a little bit faster today than we wanted, but that's
You know.
okay. Because in this, we've got our scrambled eggs. You want the yolks, then we'll add a little salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Now, what I like to do too is add cheese, like grated parm, or actually this is grated pecorino. Give it a little sharpness.
Yeah.
Because we're going to demonstrate the croissant, remember. So get that in there, and it melts beautifully.
Lay
oh,
cheese.
Puppet!
Lay cheese.
Look what I got you.
Oh yeah.
Look it's your own little puppet-sized pan. Isn't
Puppet-sized pan for puppet-sized chef.
Isn't that adorable? Look
Yeah, look at that.
You can have, it's actually quite good because it's 1 or 2 single.
non-stick.
It's perfect. It's non-stick. So
Yeah.
back to the eggs before we ruin them. Here we've got our scrambled eggs. Look how beautiful that is. We're just going to turn off the fire because the secret to a good scrambled egg is get it off there before it's cooked all the way.
Undercook it a little bit.
Exactly, Puppet. Exactly. So get that there, and I've already prepared. We've got our brioche bun here prepared. Now you'll also see. Look at that.
Ooh la la.
We've got our English muffin prepared.
Yeah.
Look at how nice that is.
Yep.
And then this one we made traditional ham. Ooh, the egg fell out.
Oh.
Traditional ham,
Uh-oh.
some egg, sharp cheddar for that one.
Puppet eat that later.
We're gonna eat that later.
Yeah.
But let's get our brioche,
Do it. Do it.
our croissant ready. So
Do it. Keep doing it. Do a little more.
let's get this out of here. So
Yeah.
let's get some prepared. I've prepared some mayo and mustard. Look at that.
Ooh yeah.
Slathered on there.
Zootaloo. You're not even sure if that's a real French thing. We heard it in a cartoon once.
But I'm not sure if that's a real French thing or not. But you know what? You're adorable, so we're going to let it go.
Oh, thank you.
Now, for this one, I've chosen...
Merci.
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 We're going to go...
That's how the old man that was on the TV show said it.
Well, then we're going to do that. So, because our croissant, now remember, breakfast, this could be lunch or dinner as well because it's such a hearty one.
Okay.
I've chosen some ham off the bone.
Yeah.
And then we're actually going to put a little turkey on there.
What?
It's just it's just like deli meat.
Is that traditional?
Well, no, but you know what? What is traditional with you and I? So,
It's kitchen lady version.
it's kitchen lady version.
Madame Kitchen Lady.
So, on top of that, we're going to do Swiss cheese. Be generous with the Swiss cheese, a little
Yes.
provolone.
Oui.
And because I think we'll also, if we can get it over here.
Yeah.
Now, I also thought it might be nice to add a little sliced tomato. We're actually building quite a lovely sandwich here.
Yep.
Yep.
Little
And
work of art.
Little work of art.
Oui.
And then for those that like avocado, because I know some do, some don't, I think it's nice to put a little avocado on there.
Sure.
Sure. And then we have, let's put the top on.
Oh yeah.
Let's see, look at
Whoa.
that. Whoa.
That thing's huge.
See, look at that.
That's giant.
I mean,
That's like the size of a football.
we're going to cut that, but look what
Wow.
we've done with the brioche one as well.
Ooh, that's
Now
pretty.
this one,
That's
isn't
pretty.
that lovely?
Yeah.
Because no one
Wow.
often thinks of doing brioche. I'm actually going to cut that one in half so we can see because I know
That looks like something on those commercials they play late at night.
I'm going to
for
cut it
fast
over
food
here.
places.
Oh,
Looks
see?
good.
Look
Oh.
at this.
Yeah.
Pop it. Oh, you know
Look
what?
at
We forgot to put the eggs in the croissant.
Fancy. Oh no.
We can.
Keep going.
Look at how nice that looks. Look at that puppet.
Yeah, keep going.
So, when you have a little mistake like that,
Keep
it's not a
going.
mistake.
It's all right.
You get the spoon, and you just put the eggs right on
Yeah.
top of that because
Just
that's
don't
what's
put
going
the
to
eggs on puppet.
Nope.
Yeah.
The eggs aren't going to go on puppet.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that. I'm
Oh,
hoping.
oh.
Oh.
Oh,
We're
steaming
having
hot.
Steaming hot.
Yeah.
Watch your little fur, puppet.
Uh-oh.
this is adorable. Look at that.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's get this out of the way. There's no mistakes in the kitchen. There's just fixes.
Sometimes we have mistakes.
Well, sometimes, but not today.
They're pretty good.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's good.
And look how nice those eggs are. Yeah.
It's flying around.
What? Top it like
That
you mean
chicken learned to
business.
fly.
Top it like you mean business, puppet.
Yeah.
And I want to show everybody and you, if I don't make a mess, but this is it. That
You gonna take
is
a bite out of it?
No. No, puppet. I'm not going to take a bite out of it, you little devil. But look how nice that is. And again, that's a lot for breakfast. So you might want to wrap that in like,
You could take a nap. Use that for a pillow.
We're going to take this actually off of our puppet. I want to show how to cut this.
hold it
But
up.
you know what? I think it's going to be a mess.
Whoa, watch out.
So if we cut it in half, puppet, let's demonstrate.
Why don't you just put it here? Pull it back.
Actually,
there. Pull it back like over here. Over
nope.
here.
Let's just put it
Just cut
and
it.
put 2 sticks in it.
Okay.
Let's not cut it in half because we know
This is where everything goes sideways.
This is where it goes sideways.
Okay, keep going.
All right. So we've got that, and
Do it.
basically that is it.
You gonna cut it?
I'm gonna try.
Do it.
I'm gonna try right
it,
there
do it,
in the
do it,
middle
do it,
of the croissant. Puppet, look at
See?
we did it.
That's that fancy knife.
It's that fancy knife.
Yep.
Look at that, everybody.
Oh.
Now that's a
Pretty.
sandwich you're gonna want to
Yeah.
eat.
Oh yeah.
You eat that for lunch or
Yeah,
for
yeah.
breakfast. You're not gonna want that
Any
for
day,
lunch.
anytime.
Exactly.
Dinner,
It's
midnight.
a little messy, but
4
we
in the
don't
morning.
mind.
Yep.
4 in the morning,
Yeah.
puppet. Now,
Puppy gets hungry.
I also, and
Yeah.
we also could put on any one of these, maybe the brioche smoked salmon. I
Oh.
know that you like a little smoked salmon. A little
Oui.
fishy.
We.
But that's
You
it,
tell him,
puppet.
Madame Kitchen Lady.
Breakfast on the go this week.
Yeah.
3 ways. English muffin,
Yep.
brioche bun.
Yep.
Let's not forget our brioche bun,
Yep.
buddy. And then croissant.
Yep.
Okay?
Yeah,
So
sweet.
that's it.
That's
Back
all we
to
got.
school. Have a good week. We're going to thank everybody. We had a little bit of a mess today, but boy, did
That's
we
good.
have fun.
It's good.
All right. Anything else?
Nope. Pretty good.
All right. Thank you. And we will see you next week.
Yep. Thank you, everybody.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.